You abusuan for ma kwa by the back in sports YouTube pacho wo hwe video no pacho ya no wa share na wa like wa san subscribe ama me na adwuma na akoso kama pacho na imre so ya gba wura e Kumasi Asante Kotoko e ya so eye nim se season ba na wie ye de more stories and efiri Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso eye because enwoma bebre wo wa Asante Kotoko esese omoyem no put things in place na ba ya eye 2026-2027 season a very successful one for air crop bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Into story bia na sa update baby through Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso e baby bia no. Matie for mahwe for me followers me fan kam me nyina beto especially Kotoko supporters no de nyina abeto am na muso mahu de akoso o Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso yem. Na ene imre de 3 major stories na me de bram a ifiri Kumasi Asante Kotoko ayem. 3 very important stories. And I said 3 important updates na me free Kumasi Asante Kotoko asue abramo se na ba yambu se na enyoma ko because season ba na wi ase enyoma edin mu nti de ekoso bate de ye gugusu edi Kumasi Asante Kotoko fo achi ehu nyoma ekoso de omo ye de ba de ko de frim de be hyem nyina no ye de sa update ni nyina ebebramo nti na imre de mo ho a 3 important updates na me de bramo afre Kumasi Asante Kotoko asue yem nti etiefo ne ahwefo mu ya so na mu tie update number 1 Kotoko Kumasi Asante Kotoko by latest by Friday omo ombe Unveil football director yes latest by Friday Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebe paw football director ono obedi dwuma obetutu nneoma obele foundation eya de ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ya faso ya hweso e de atutu nneoma ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti obetouch down ewo Accra International Airport china eya china Thursday no obetouch down ewo Accra International Airport eya china the latest by Friday he will be in Kumasi na board of directors no apa na di ade akere eya supporters ne mpedifo omudi team ni nyina achi nti latest by Friday Kotoko will unveil a new football director on Obele Foundation obetutu nneoma coaching staff ne players recruitment ne babia directional babia Kumasi Asante Kotoko enko in the subsequent years ahead of us babia Kumasi Asante Kotoko enko so latest by Friday a new football director will be unveiled in Kumasi. A new football director for Eye Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko will be unveiled in Kumasi. That's update number 1. Every Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko asue eba. Update number 2. The ombasan unveil as ombasa power no business development manager. Yes. Business development manager. And also the next na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ombeji no so abatuto business aspect of Kumasi Asante Kotoko no also abatuto nneoma no wahwe se nneoma nyina no efre sikasem ne business also Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye no also ebebedi se adwuma no se sa nneoma nyina ebekoyie e de ama eye krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko so the next one ombepa no and I say ombe ovele no so business development manager the next thing coming in into Kumasi Asante Kotoko so the next thing. And the third one is THB. Only the THB a sponsor. THB a sponsor. No, almost sponsor Kotoko. Sisi amino ka say omo kete a Mediama Sporting Club. Omone has a focus for so kasa so mbesa akete has a folk. Omu yo omone Obuase 04. Omo kasa say the abeya omotu akete omo. Sa THB ankasa no no mo ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko for a contract na sa contract no de yetete ne say Kumasi Asante Kotoko person mo twa sa contract ni mu de say omo betwam de atimi say ombelu ombehwe ada case sponsor bia obetumi abobo crop bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This is the 3 major things are ekoso Kumasi Asante Kotoko say they ka ho abetammo a issue now abetammo em say a free agent a media amafo ene na akasa akwa animu pa other clubs ene ne kasa other African clubs ene ne kasa so betuma besi akan e dia amam na yenim Kumasi Asante Kotoko say Kumasi Asante Kotoko are still interested in bringing Albert Amwa back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No mercy, a kind of and also at the home. It's Albert Amwa, as we are speaking right now, is a free agent. I only team be any contract. Na team as is on Nakasa do a chepia, a mediama football club, and I say mediama SC. No, Monakasa do a chepa, about me, a bit anymore at the Amo 2026-2027 season. And also any day home. Into one, Kotoko will unveil football director on Friday, latest by Friday. Secondly, business development manager, which is executive chairman of the club, that is Joe Shop. Then THB key sponsor contract, and also and also Nyoma Elkoso. Nti Nyoma Elkoso Kumasi Asante Kotoko they become one said they be biano, then fankamuna. Yes, my making Richardo Pepe Suarez. About my detailed into details analysis of three top headlines here. If you Kumasi Asante Kotoko, another three top updates here. If you Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Richardo Pepe Suarez. I'm a detailed analysis about this situation. I said this whole issue. To me, I'm going to Richardo Suarez Pepe. I'm ready to see her.
Or general jurisdiction over all the sporting entities under Real Madrid.
Yeah.
ATM fan of Kotoko sporting director and a football director.
Yes, sir.
Any background or a foreigner. And then Ukwada.
Yes. 3rd June 2020.
We expect that by Friday, which will be 5th, right?
Yes.
Urano eba be PM ewo Kumasi ha. By Friday, we expect the arrival of Asante Kotoko. One a technical, they be one technical director, or sporting director, and I say football director. Now, nkoma mi di yani say Japan. The entire other appointments ring na ma no. Owura no our experience ye pa ena empanyifo ko fara ba say ome organize Asante Kotoko. Omo exporting direction. Kotoko football direction.
Okay.
No owura no ome a long term work o.
Ooh.
E ya fe ba ko pe. Why say dey unsa utimi fa consultant. E maybe na me you marketing consultant. You ba no have a problem. What to usika? Waka the wadwuma ni abeye bibia wi an ma recommendations and solutions. Ni ya jesika ni ekọ. Papa ne e ba be adwuma afe ba ko. Me fa ne say obele foundation. Obele foundation I could build it on for a very long time.
Okay.
Kotoko are bringing in a sporting director, and he will touch down in Ghana latest by Thursday. No, do Ghana. Said no Wednesday. Wa ma sa de ukwada.
Yes.
Wa ma na chira. Ano popa yin be du kutuka international airport.
Fantastic.
By Friday no Kumasi. And onu be dra kot company for by official announcement. No ma danedi e de achira mo chita for say ye sporting director, ye football director ni nie. Afa onu our responsibility. I want to make it Japan.
Nice one.
Kotoko coach on Mefano no.
The fella man.
Kotoko who said they would have to reorganize the entire technical team no.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe yes season no kana Kotoko. As I change team manager.
Team manager.
We started this season with Ohinibrenya as a team manager.
Yeah.
Ohinibrenya ko US. And Olomo my friend Bob kakra. Olomo ko Germany. Former Kotoko player or a teacher Kumasi High. Teacher Boateng Zani Frank Boateng. Ono ni ebe season no. Obeye Kotoko team manager no. So Kotoko would have to do a lot of appointments. Kotoko any assistant coach as we speak. Yeah. Kotoko a lot of positions but sad decisions in Japan. It will be under the direction of the sporting or the football director. On never chair and based on the man obey no. And the Kotoko who say ye pe coach or ye youth development coach. Ye pe coach or ye trophy winning coach. You say Ghana they say trophy winning coach in the Japan ye Itago. From Pomanson or G League last year. No, this year was FA Cup. Even though the club is relegated, it's a trophy winning coach. One more coach or a youth development coach. Near task say in the next 3 years. You person got 5 players. A room of top academies in the world. Yeah, Sa Jumana Juma. Sporting director na all Japan. All Babe. ɛde ama Asante Kotoko deɛ mekyɛ ne sɛ Kotoko matches ne bebrebe a ɔmo board season no sporting director no panyin ɔmo ascending no videos no ama na hwɛ
Okay.
some training sessions of Asante Kotoko wɔnom ascending videos no ama sporting director no ahwɛ eti generally he is coming in na waba aba bɛyɛ the groundwork obele foundation no sɛde bɛyɛ Kotoko coach a yɛbɛfa wo no you build on that foundation abisa panyin
Yes, sir.
Kotoko announce ɔpanyin wi a yɛte sɛ bi ɔmo announce a business development manager.
Woo.
The next position no is likely to be the business development manager. Some catch say CEO in there. They as soon as that from the editing say CEO it is going off. They are likely say board chairman be executive chairman of the club. And already Joe Shop be executive chairman of the club. Any a general manager positions and a Kotoko ebe fele. General manager positions and Asante Kotoko Japan one ebe fele.
Okay.
Until we expect the football director or the technical the sporting director latest by Friday so Kumasi Kotoko epan hontuma.
Okay.
Abuja Prince Abia Jambo.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Asante Kotoko ahye. My info to just say THB contract no. THB contract no.
Okay. Sponsorship.
Yeah. In fact, THB wait man announce on platform you say omone Mediema assigning contract next season. THB.
Wow.
Ebe kiti Mediema.
Hello, Marco Africa.
They are in the process of striking a deal with Accra to folk.
Woo.
THB ebe kiti Hartlefolk. THB for any FC Asante Gold 04. Ding commodada. League name someone kiti Karela. It is likely that by the next 2-3 seasons they will be kitting more than half of the Ghana Premier League clubs. But the American say Asante Kotoko okay we are media the confirmation and Kabiru Ede Abano
Official kit partner.
yeah Edema Mediema.
Mediema.
The American the Asante Kotoko ebe cancel THB deal no.
Hey. Omonya fufrana.
And not the Minyante, but the Matine say, and Sensembi Ebama Asante Kotoko. Ebe cancel THB deal. No. Said Mbeka media the name of Abantini say THB no Kotoko. Sign a first year contract. Then after 2 years, after the first season, and I'm renewing 2 years. It to me Nimina Minim Kotoko, and it THB awarded Ebegu season Abanawi. And he had to say they renewed the contract. We've heard that they renewed the contract.
Okay.
And I know I'm board no eguso Japan or more ekum. Na me activate me sources so IMC Musa almost say renew contract now. But 2-year contract the man say that was 2 seasons ago no buy. Ye nim say I as I extended deal now. But we hear the two parties likely say next season. One entrance. Abuja pesa me jambo.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella.
Asante Kotoko board no nanu nkomo bia me di no. Wo mo adwuma no e wa kire nkakra. But they should still remember say they don't have time. June ni yesimu no.
Yes.
July. August. First week of September ni about Ghana Premier League. Eti brepa de bread here. Ebi ni o enfa more than any Kotoko any bread. Abuja
the original fella man.
Kotoko epe profile bio because Abet Amwa exclusively makacha wa in fact makacha wa on Mama TV on Saturdays.
Yes.
On Kotoko any contract and on Ali Benghazi any contract. Makasa asem say a branch on Ali Benghazi any contract.
Yeah.
I don't know me tell you be a challenge asem no baby.
Wow.
Omrana memfa sporting director or Ali Benghazi number man no musano. In the books of Ali Benghazi, Albert Nyomu player in Albert Amwa ni books on your playoff agli Benghazi. Abusua se Kotoko esa person Albert eya adwuma. There's a gap. Who talks to Albert Amwa now? Lawyer Alice Kofi Osewusu or lady Kotoko transition no board secretary and I say special assistant to board chair. Mrs. Evelyn Siasari na koye and I say board chairman and now board member ben there is a certain gap. Baby am diama for them the common air corner kosoro. Enti upa late ababa be tono. Na baby o din koma kodu ni sika asem no. Wa hwe obo abubefu but sa na obi a ofa no. No kwasam se Japan clubs no money abre organ as say no. Omo ko to 10,000 cedis a month the am player anya den fa mom kra o. Wow. So be ma 10,000 Ghana a month anya den fa mom say. Enti nkomodie no baby a e kro no. Kotoko we so minime bia nko ka say pepe Albert onya de na bia me ma board no pressure me de mo bia pressure o. Me can actually mose me de ma din nkomodre kire.
Yes.
Then there is a club from Tanzania. There are two clubs from South Africa. Yeah, wow. Because a branch is free, no. Who's up the say African continent free agent no mo. Or could Treska ko to anything. But so fast I need you over Falca. It ya bet am deal no. Cause management say omo. But say okay Rudolph Nana Mensah Jr.
Yes.
Of Sodro Oblaks.
Oblaks.
Rudolph Nana Mensah Jr. Rudolph there da bi am catch say Kotoko IMC we na tena wa en ko be Kotoko first signing because omo din komo drache January transfer window no abeta mo de ba mu no e na ma Kotoko stay calm enya sa January kwan ko me pull strings so mo de Rudolph ba na all blast per survivor mo nyama so me jam but na Kotoko ni apre so be twa branch ampanya ka to say the opa at the party Kotoko ni enya na bro omo de omo kese omo de omo sika komo de beje Rudolph aka on public platforms ampa ono Rudolph no opese obo Asante Kotoko nya Kotoko na obebo. He said it on radio station public. He said the Kamea said the ball is in the court of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So omumom ebeye de ombetimaye na onum atumi anya abranche de din ete Rudolph, if Kotoko are interested, especially new direction Kotoko taking on. So we are interested, they can pursue that deal. Now omo edi a branch on come and so ediko. I'm your president.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow man.
Has a churocrata at their call